Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be creating this custom elbow model in SolidWorks. So this is kind of like a pipe with some flanges. So our easy game plans shall be to create the pipe first. Uh, Notice that this pipe is only a circular profile, so we don't actually need the profile for this one when we are gonna sweep boss it. Rather, we just need to draw the uh, path for the pipe, and we can use the circular profile option in sweep boss. And after we are done with creating the pipe, we will model those flanges on both sides and then create the necessary holes and cuts to finish our model. So let's begin. This is mmgs plain carbon steel. I have my template ready. We will create this according to our game plan. So let's choose the right plane and draw first of all the path for the pipe. So this one is a pretty simple path. Let's just draw an reversed L shape and add a fillet of, okay, okay, add a fillet, simply add a fillet and then cut the radius, delete the radius, and then select all of these. Click offset. Bidirectional offset geometry will be construction, and each side shall be the radius of the pipe. And from the front top view we can see the 40 is the dia, so this should be 20. There we go. Now we just need to fully define the sketch. So this arc is given as 30. From here, the center line to here, it's given as 120, and the height is from the center to the very top is 100. There we have a fully defined sketch. Let's exit the sketch, choose the sketch, S key, sweep boss base, and then go circular profile and choose it to be 40. There we go. Now we just need to add the flanges. Let's deal with the easy flange first. Here it should be 70, goes inside and to a depth of 15. And now we are gonna deal with this part. This one's a bit tricky. At the center it is 35 times 2. Let's go here 40, half of 80, and create another circle of 32 as the radius is 16. Then we just need to connect this, make them tangent, then mirror it across the center line. There we have it. We can even delete these stuffs, and we can extrude it downwards 15. Now we can easily mirror it across the right plane and then create the necessary cuts. This cut is not that hard. I will choose a different approach for that one, but first let me create the easy cut of 50 goes 10, 50 goes 10. Let's create in the right plane another sketch. Let's convert the first sketch and trim it out a bit, and then dimension it 25 as shown here. I will show you why I did this a bit later. Now exit the sketch, choose the sketch and go for sweep cut. Similarly choose circular profile, and the whole dia is I believe it is 25 inner diameter. Now from here let's go for a cut of 45 going 7. From this view we can see it. Now is the tricky part. Now if we create a section view in the right plane, we can see that there are two profiles here, so this face and this face. We can actually create something like a lofted cut here. Let's try it. So S key, choose lofted cut for this face to this face. There we go. But this starting points should be correct, otherwise it won't match. So let's just keep it at the ends as perfect as we can. It doesn't matter too much. Then we can actually hit OK and it will be cut just the way we want it to. Then we can go here and we can see a nice section view. It's exactly what they are showing us here. Now all we are left with are those fillets. So a fillet here and a fillet here of radius 7, I believe. And that is it. Our drawing's done. Let's check the mass. 1745.96. I believe it's correct. Let's check it. No, it's not correct. So mm, it's not actually correct. So yeah, if we are not correct the first time, we still have a chance to rectify our mistakes. Let's check where we did wrong. So first things first, we will check the isometric view. Yeah, we are missing those two holes. Immediately I saw it. So it's 13 two places. Let's cut it out. I believe there are no other mistakes because we did everything very sincerely. 1714.9. There we go. It's correct now. It took us 6 minutes 22 seconds for this tier 5 challenge. I'm pretty happy with it. So basically, these kind of pipe like models are pretty easy with sweeps. So every time we see some simple pipe like this and flanges, simply draw the inner pipe profile first and then go on with the flanges and those other features like cuts and holes, etc. That does the job pretty nicely. Yeah, cut loft was overkill. We could have just revolve cut it, but I just wanted to show you that this is possible and this might be something we use in the speed modeling scenarios because the revolves are very slow. Okay, that's it for my video. Thank you for watching.